Very good evening all. Thank you for joining the session. So today we are going to step into the another concept which is called shell scripting. So presently this shell scripting which we designed for DevOps engineer and cloud engineer, how you will be performing your job roles and responsibility in the project. So for the expectation, this shell scripting course is dividing into three levels: beginner level, and second one is the intermediate level, and level 3 is the advanced level. So once you complete these three levels, you become a completely managing the Linux services anywhere. So both DevOps and cloud technologies. So coming to the level 1, a basic shell scripting, it's a beginner level. So then the module 1, we will discuss about introduction to shell and shell scripting. So why we are use the shell, what type of shells are available, what is the difference between shell and bash, and how you will be setting up the environment generally in the Ubuntu or maybe Ubuntu in AWS, Azure, in local systems. How do you write a first shell script .sh file and successfully how to execute such kind of things you will learn. In the module number 2, you will get some kind of shell script basics. So what is a script structure? So why we need to use a shebang, this one, and how to run shell script, how to provide the script permissions like a ch mode, ch ownership, that's called change mode, change ownership. How do you print the values, how to read the values, that is called inside the script. How do you comment the script to create the script in advanced level when you are doing in the project? Maybe after you create the script, other person how can understand that? In the module number 3, variables and operators, how you can use in the real-time structures, what type of variables and what type of operators we are using in the script to do your work. In the module number 4, we will use the conditional statements, if else, if else, if else kind of methods. So like a test commands, comparisons, file test operators that we will use. In various conditions, these commands we will use to run our job. Then next will be module number 5. Here we will use that looping constructs like for, while, until, break, and continue, in which scenario we will use in real-time environment. And next module 6, user inputs, basic functions. So how do you read the input from the users? In the command line, how you can use the arguments, how to call the functions, how to return the values and exit status and all that we will run. So until this is a basic concepts in shell scripting. So once you complete this, you're successfully able to write some level of shell scripts in DevOps and in cloud technologies. The next level, level 2, in this we have an intermediate shell scripting, module number 7. So here we are working with the files and directories, how to create, renaming, deleting the files. So file inputs, output operations, redirections operations like a greater than, less than. So this type of operators, how you can use cat, cut. So this type of basic commands we will learn. And module number 8, string and text processing we will use, like string manipulation techniques we will learn with the real-time examples like parsing logs, extracting email IDs, pattern matching. So these type of works we will learn in the string and text processing. In the module number 7, arrays and advanced functions. So like here we have a function arguments, return the values, scope of variables we will create like a local variables and global variables concepts. One dimensional and associative arrays kind of dimensional values we will be creating. Then module number 10, scheduling and automation. Any kind of jobs will be automatically running in specific time, specific day. Number of times we'll be repeating with the schedule backups, monitoring alerts. Then module number 11, exit status and error handling. When you run the script value will be runs like with exit code. Some value will come. So what that value, where we are using, and with that value, what we can understand. Okay, if some value is coming, whether it's good or bad, that we will learn. So once this completed, intermediate level program will get completed. Then we'll go for advanced level programming. That is called advanced level shell scripting. And it is like we have a module number 12 working with the external commands and tools, like we have a piping and redirections, calling external programs, scripts, background job processing. These all things we will be used in the module number 2. Module number 12, log monitoring alert scripts. So we have a servers are running, like we have a CPU, memory, disk alerts. Those alerts will be sending alert informations to mail format to the subscribed endpoints. And module number 14, shell scripting for DevOps tools, like automating the Docker container and triggering the Jenkins jobs from the scripts, managing the Git repositories via shell, interfacing of AWS CLI, Azure CLI, how you will be operate. Okay. How do you create a virtual machines in AWS environment? How do you create a virtual machines in Azure CLI? That concept. Then module number 15, writing menu driven shell scripting. So like building interactive menus. Okay. Like we have a different kind of handlings like a select cases, get ops. So menu driven server administrations also we can do it. And the last module, module 16, project and capstone. So like in enterprise level, so the projects we will be creating. So one project for mini project with the automated user creations, permissions, assignments. Another one will be system health check dashboard. The next one will be backup and restore automation. And these are the mini projects. One capstone project, that is a real world DevOps use case combining monitoring, automation alerts, and logging management with the shell scripting. So this is a one capstone project we will do. So this is a next one will be a bonus content. Okay. So after completion of the course, like a shell scripting best practices, script optimizations, maintainability, how you need to maintain the scripts, version control for the scripts, like we have a shell script we are building, and how you can store in the Git repositories, interview questions and mock test. So this is our course content of shell scripting series, but all the concepts we are not going from today until next few days we're not completing. So our target is first we will be completing basic level shell scripting for couple of days. So once this is completed, and I'll move to DevOps concept and cloud concept, then I'll come back. Again, I'll take a couple of days for level 2 program. Once level 2 program is completed, then again I'll go to DevOps and cloud services. Then finally I'll come to the level 3 advanced shell scripting program. I'll complete module 12 to module 16. So once you complete the module 16, the project will get completed. Then finally we'll go for bonus content. So this is the way the program is designed. Thank you. So